Hi, on this short tutorial I'm going to show how to use the append operation on a hosted feature layer on ArcGIS Online through the REST API to do an Upsert. So first of all, I'm going to show you this layer, this database that I have created with just one table with a few fields, the object ID, name, which is a string, value, which is an integer, or an optional attachment. Okay, so going to the service, so clicking on here and to Upsert demo, which I was doing here, we will see that we have these same fields in here and we have an append operation over here. Okay, how we are going to fill this to first do an insert. So here I have the example. To do an insert, I'm going to use the GeoJSON format in this case. So I'm going to specify a feature collection with a new point and without specifying an object ID, which is because this is a new entity, a new point with name value Maria and value 37. I'm not going to check Upsert. It's false, 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 everything false because it's going to do I'm going to do a new insert in here now. So a specification GeoJSON, well, you can see here I only have one point at this moment on the layer. So after running this operation, I will see here a status URL because this is an asynchronous job. Well, it has already finished. So if I scroll, I will see a new dot appearing here. I have to close this attribute table and show it again. So here we can see that we have a new entity. Well, I have been doing a few tests before. That's why I have the object ID number 9 at this point. So I'm going to do an Upsert now on this feature. I'm going to change just the name. So as we can see, we have to use the object ID, in this case 9. So I have added a new property on this object that I didn't have in here. I specified that the update is going to be on this entity. I have changed the name to Carlota instead of Maria. I will check Upsert true, update geometry true, and Upsert matching field object ID, which is this one, right? I don't need to specify on the hosted feature service because it already knows which is the object ID field. And I have also specified GeoJSON on the format. Append, and now we can open this again. It's in progress. Refresh, completed. So if I scroll, I will see that now the name is Carlota. I can check that I only have one entity and it changed just the name. As we can see, the object ID, of course, is being maintained. So that's everything. I hope in this tutorial it's helpful for you. Thank you very much and see you soon. Bye bye.